George Washington, I guess. Found this terrifying tree. Is it the Tree of Terror?
The Tree of Terror. Looks like they put something metal in it.
George Washington's actual dentures. In lead.
Hi, we're at Mount Vernon, and this is where George Washington lived.
Mount Vernon. Oh, there it is, right there.
Yeah.
Wait, is that George over there? Huh? I think it is. There we go. Age 53. Martha. And grandson Washi. We always loved little Washi, didn't we? So I guess this is a replica? Or is this what it was based on? Probably they built this later.
House replicas are always so nice looking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the roof's coming off.
Stairs. Go up those stairs over there.
Excuse me. Oh yeah, look at that.
Got a chessboard or something.
There's the dining room. You can see so many reflections here. It's a little. I have to get an angle. What do you think, Jillian? Pretty big for a dollhouse, huh? Not a dollhouse. Could be.
Yeah.
It's like Barbie scale. Well, maybe a little smaller.
Yeah, it's a little smaller.
So, Addie, little known fact, Washington had camels, right?
Oh, they named him Aladdin. They named the camel Aladdin.
He's named Aladdin. Do not feed or touch Aladdin.
He used to bring in like special animals.
So that's the main building, right? It looks really far away. Oh, there's the line.
Yeah.
Our tour isn't for a little while, so we can look at the surrounding buildings though, right? And is this the main green? Oh, is that the main gate way down there? Way. Okay, so in the background behind Jillian and Addie is the actual tomb of George Washington. We wanted to show some respect, so we're giving it a little bit of distance here. It's more of a solemn place. Although you can hear there is a tour guide up there who's saying different facts and things, but we just wanted to give it a little bit of a respectful distance. But yeah, that's the actual site where the Washington family, I guess, too, which I didn't know, it goes back inside the hillside, and that's their final resting place. So there's a lot more to explore here, so maybe we could check out the view. There's some trails. Okay, we're gonna have a little trouble hearing because they are grinding up driftwood for some reason. So this beautiful pastoral setting is kind of being ruined by these guys. So it's an amazing view though, isn't it? It's very magical with all the mist coming up.
Yeah.
So we have a big tour of the actual mansion, so we're gonna go eat before that because it's gonna be a while. So we're following this red brick road the whole way up. Whole way up the hill. Yeah, the whole way up.
Would be at least red brick,
well,
cobblestone.
There have been known to be gray brick and yellow brick, but yeah.
You have to paint it though.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back up. It's a little quieter up here. I'm not grinding branches.
Yeah.
We found this terrifying tree. Is it the Tree of Terror?
The Tree of Terror. Looks like they put something metal in it.
And yeah, it looks like it could really come to life at any moment. So we should probably back away. I don't know if this is the garden. The gardens. There's floral gardens. There's veggie gardens. Oh, you could keep walking. This is a casual shot of just Jillian casually strolling the grounds.
Casual.
It's casual.
It's casual. Set out, say casual.
Okay, there's some longhorn steers there. So people are lined up for the tour of the main mansion there. Oh, there's the view. We'll be going in there soon. This is the spinning house. All manner of textiles, right? Weaving, spinning, perhaps looming. There's a non-period electrical fence there, or fan there. That looks like the one where you could spin gold out of hay, right? This looks like one of those millstones, huh? There's people waiting in line over there. It's not as big as I thought it would be. I mean, it's big. What's bigger, the Kevin McAllister's house from Home Alone or George Washington?
What's your answer?
Let us know in the comments. Confirmed we are allowed to photograph inside.
They said no video though.
They said no panoramic.
Panoramic?
That's those ones where you stand and you do like a stitch together photo. Yeah. So we're going in.
The silverware and French porcelain is all original. You are entering the largest room of the Washington's home. This is where they had special events. This is the 12th night feast, part of the 12 days of Christmas.
It's the harpsichord room. I don't know if it's original glass.
And very expensive color at the time, so it's making a good impression in its day. And then you will pass by that glass and gold case on the wall. That is the key to the Bastille. So welcome, come on in. You're coming out of the less formal of the two parlors.
Of his life. The general also loved gadgets and things, and when he was at the Constitution presiding, that he retired as significant in a time when world leaders just didn't.
The kitchen? Not much of a kitchen, huh? So what'd you guys think? What'd you think of this?
Cool. I like the green room.
The green room?
The green dining room.
Yeah, yeah.
I remember hearing that was controversial.
What, like a daring choice?
Yeah, because some people thought it was an original.
Weird.
And he said it was good for the digestion, is what they said.
Yeah, he thought it was, yeah.
Like salad, you know? Think we'll see the Loch Ness Monster?
Maybe. We might have been onto something though, because people still have green rooms.
Yeah. It's a carving, I guess, right? Or a sculpture, but it's inverted. See, if you go here, you can see. But it really looks like it's staring. George Washington, I guess. It looks like, I see the G and the W. I see parts of it. It looks like Walhampton. George Washington's actual dentures. In lead. Don't put lead in your mouth.